Welcome to Cloud ERP Apps. We will explore the SAP Best Practice BKP Customer Returns. This is a guide to your business blueprint, fit to standard workshop. In today's business world, customer returns are a fact of life. Customers may return products for a variety of reasons. Perhaps the product was damaged during shipping. Maybe the customer simply changed their mind. Whatever the reason, businesses need to have a system in place for handling customer returns quickly and efficiently. Efficient customer returns are essential for several reasons. First, they help to ensure customer satisfaction. When customers have a positive return experience, they are more likely to do business with that company again in the future. Second, efficient customer returns can save businesses money. By streamlining the returns process, businesses can reduce the costs associated with processing returns. Finally, efficient customer returns can help businesses to improve their operations. By tracking customer returns data, businesses can identify trends and patterns. This information can then be used to improve product quality, shipping processes, and customer service. SAP Best Practices for Customer Returns, or BKP, is a comprehensive solution that can help businesses to streamline their returns process. BKP provides a set of pre-configured business processes that cover all aspects of customer returns, from initial return authorization to final product disposition. BKP is designed to be highly flexible and configurable, so businesses can tailor the solution to meet their specific needs. BKP Customer Returns is based on the SAP S/4HANA Cloud ERP system. This means that businesses can take advantage of the latest SAP technology, such as real-time analytics and in-memory computing. Let us explore 3 common customer return scenarios handled by BKP. The first scenario is the most straightforward. A customer contacts the seller to initiate a return. This could be due to a defective product, incorrect shipment, or simply a change of heart. The seller then authorizes the return and provides the customer with a Return Materials Authorization, or RMA. The customer uses the RMA to return the product to the seller. Upon receiving the returned product, the seller inspects it. Depending on the reason for the return, the seller may issue a refund, exchange the product, or repair the product and return it to the customer. Throughout this process, BKP automates key tasks such as generating return labels, tracking the shipment, and updating inventory records. Scenario 2: Inspection at the customer site. In this scenario, the customer reports a problem with a product, but the nature of the issue necessitates an inspection at the customer's location. This could be due to a complex technical problem or a situation where returning the product is impractical, such as a large appliance. The seller then dispatches a technician to the customer's site. The technician assesses the product's condition and determines the appropriate course of action. The technician might be able to resolve the issue on site. If the product requires further repair or replacement, the technician initiates the necessary steps. BKP facilitates this process by enabling scheduling, dispatching, and real-time communication with the technician. Scenario 3: Returning to supplier via seller. The third scenario involves a situation where the customer needs to return a product, but the return needs to be routed through the seller to the original supplier. This could be the case if the product is under warranty or if the seller acts as an intermediary for the supplier. The customer contacts the seller to initiate the return process. The seller, in turn, contacts the supplier to obtain a return authorization. Once the supplier approves the return, the seller provides the customer with the necessary instructions and documentation. The customer then ships the product back to the supplier, often using a prepaid shipping label provided by the seller or supplier. BKP streamlines this complex process by managing communication and documentation between the seller, supplier, and customer. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for Business Process Exploration Series.